Hi, I'm Rose59. Today I'm going to show you how to make a magnet bottle opener. For this project, I will be using scrap wood. I am using maple and purple heart. Applied glue on this board and this one as well on both sides. Now I'm ready for my last one here. Now you want to go ahead and let this dry in it for an hour and come back and scrape any excess glue that you have, and then you want to keep it in the clamps overnight. For drilling the hole where the magnet is going to go into, you want to make sure that you have your piece of wood on the back side. Place your template on top, line everything up, and then take your center punch and find the center and just push down. For laying out your keyhole hanger, you want to measure a down center and of course over center as well. Once you have it positioned, just take your pencil and trace around it. Take your chisel and you want to remove those bumps. We want to make it nice and straight, as you can see on the other side that I have done. For sanding by hand, I used 150 grit sandpaper first to get rid of all the burn marks, and then I used 400 grit sandpaper to make everything nice and smooth. So for applying your clear coat, you want to use a good quality brush. I've already done the ends, the sides, and the back already. I'm just ready to do the top. For adding in your magnet and washer, I have already done so. I put the magnet in first, then the washer, and I've already mixed up my epoxy, and you just want to slowly pour it in. For installing the keyhole hanger, I just use a screwdriver to screw in both screws. For lining up the opener, you want to place your template on top and use your center punch tool to punch in both holes. For installing the opener, I used my drill to pre-drill the holes, then I used my screwdriver to screw in both screws. And as you can see, the magnet works every time. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.